Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I make sweet peas and carrots. First thing you'll need is 1 can of baby sweet peas undrained, 1 can of carrots. Make sure you drain that can because I do not add the water to both cans into my pot. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter, some black pepper. You can add as much or as little, or do not add any at all. It's your choice. And some salt to your pan. So now you'll want to stir everything up till everything is well blended in your pot. I had a runaway carrot. They always seem to pop out of the pot from time to time. Now bring your vegetables to a rolling boil. Once they are boiling, you will want to turn your heat down to a medium to medium low or a low simmer, just whatever you prefer, until you are ready to eat. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye now.